Let's check out how to identify real Anua cleansing foam from fake. Fake looks like spicy mayo.
Yummy!
Hello. This is the fake Anua cleanser, and this is the real one. Let's first check out the boxes of both cleansers. All the sides are similar except the quality of the fake box. Check out this picture of old and new version cleansers. I'm reviewing new version, fake versus real. Both the cleanser tubes look similar except one difference. You can clearly see the difference. Both the tubes are green in color, but the fake one is dark green.
Yay!
There's a slight difference in the make of both the caps. A view from inside. A view from outside. Now let's check the tube openings. Let's check the texture and color of both tubes. I will attach a pic of the real texture and color of Anua cleanser from anua.kr website. I can feel exfoliator in real Anua cleanser, and fake one is smooth like spicy mayo. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'm going to do more fake versus real videos.